Hello and welcome to another edition of Oypla TV. In this video I'm going to be showing you one of our latest products, the Ash Vacuum Cleaner. The Ash Vacuum uses its 2000 watt motor to pick up substances like ash, pellets and pieces of coal from fireplaces, ovens, grills and barbecues. Boasting a 2-layer filtration system and a 20 litre capacity containment drum, the Ash Vacuum performs to a very high standard. The Ash Vacuum comes complete with a carry handle to allow easy transport from one place to another. Surprisingly light, the vacuum is not strenuous to pick up or move. The suction hose is steel lined and measures at 1.2 metres long with a metal end section, ensuring perfect protection against hot ashes. The Ash Vacuum is now available to order online at oypla.com.